Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Lucy's Cakes and Sketch. Today, I'm going to teach you how I make my Swiss Meringue Buttercream. And for many years, during my first days of making my icing, I was using the wrong ingredients and the wrong icing, so I would end up having the wrong buttercream. And good thing I discovered Swiss Meringue Buttercream, and it stabilized everything. And so we start with ingredients. First, you have, of course, the butter, which is 1 pound or 16 ounces, 4 sticks. Okay. 5 egg whites. No, 5 eggs. Just use egg whites. 2 cups of sugar, white granulated sugar. Water, 2/3 cups water, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt to taste. First off, you have to mix the sugar and the water. I always feel my face. And let's bring it to a boil on high heat. Then separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Is what I do with my egg yolks. I make flan. It's really good. Our sugar starts to boil, let's put it on medium heat, and then so here we have our 5 egg whites. No, 5 eggs. Here we have our the mixture of our 5 egg whites, 5 egg whites, and while our sugar is boiling, we put this on. We turn this on and then whisk it. Whisk it and wait until it becomes frothy and a little bit thicker, but not too thick, because we're going to make our meringue. Okay. Egg whites are frothy like this. Now it's a little bit thicker. Now we can pour in our, excuse me,
So basically in this process we are making a meringue, and I used to ice my cakes with this meringue, but it would just melt, and it is not as stable as the buttercream, and I can't cover my cakes with fondant using the meringue. But just this alone, you can also use it for the cake, especially when the customer requests for it, because sometimes customers have different preferences.
Make sure your butter is kept inside the fridge, and it's hard when you combine it with your meringue because it's gonna be runny.
So this is the kind of meringue consistency that we are aiming for, and just keep on touching the bottom part of the bowl and see if it has cooled down, because that's very important.
After 20 minutes, now it's ready, and make sure that the bottom part, the bottom of the bowl is cooled down before you put your butter. You would want your meringue to be in this consistency. It peaks like this, and that's perfect. Upside down.
Nice.
While waiting for your meringue to cool down, start slicing your butter into thin cubes. And when your meringue is ready, you can now start combining your butter, and make sure that it is hard and kept in the fridge, because if you use the room temp butter, it would turn your icing into a runny consistency, and you'll be having a lot of trouble. So better safe than sorry. After combining all your sliced butter, gradually increase the speed of your mixer. Don't increase it right away, or else it would splatter all over your place. So gradually increase the speed, and you will start to notice that it's becoming clumpier and fluffier. When you see that your buttercream is turning out like this, then you're heading in the right direction. Congrats!
When you get this kind of consistency, like this, that means that's it. That means that's it. I mean, you got it right. Wow! See? And you can add this time your 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Oops. Oi. Yeah, that's a pinch, I believe. Not too much. Okay. And mix it again. Mix it again for like less than a minute, 30 seconds. It's okay. And this measurement. So that's it. This is our Swiss meringue buttercream that I've been using all this time, and this can cover up to 2 layers of 8 inches diameter cake, and you can always double the recipe according to the call of your cake, like how big your cake is, but this is for 2 layers of 8 inches. So that's it for today's video. So once again, for more updates, just like, share, and subscribe for more new learnings. It's so hard to talk in English, but yeah, that's for today's video, and make sure that you follow all the steps and the ingredients, because if you don't, you won't get this kind of consistency and it will be a headache for you. It only takes you like 5 ingredients, but the salt and the vanilla is just optional because I used to do that, and recently I've been adding vanilla and salt to taste for the buttercream. So yeah, for more updates, just like, share, and subscribe for more new learnings. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.